Hello and welcome. This is Gulshad Ansari, and in this video you are going to learn how to create architectural wall in Autodesk Revit 2021. So let's get started. If you want to create architectural wall in Revit, you have to go in architectural tab, and you can see here this we have wall architectural, and we have three types of wall in properties palette. First of all, basic wall, and second one is curtain wall, and third one is subject wall. First we will see the basic wall. If you want to create any basic wall in this selector menu, you can select any wall from here. For me, if I want to create this exterior brick on metal stud wall, now you will select here the base constraint for wall and the top constraint for wall, and here you can create your wall. You can click and create easily architectural wall. Press escape couple of times. Now you can see we have created the basic wall here. If you want to create your own basic wall, how you will create? Click here wall architectural and select any generic wall from here. This is the generic wall, it's 200 mm. If you want to create this one, you can create this one easily, no problem. But if you want to create your own with different types of layers, how you will create, how you will edit this wall? Now select this wall and click here edit type. If you want to make it duplicate, click here duplicate and give it any name. I want to give it 500 brick walls or 500 mm block walls, anything you want. So right here and click OK. Now if you want to edit this structure of this wall, click here edit and also click here preview, so we can see the preview for this wall. Now I have the structure for this wall. You can see I have the basic wall here, which thickness is 200 mm. If I want to change the material for this wall, easily click on this small button and you will see we have here library for materials. You can search any materials here. For me, I want to search here brick, so I want to create this one. Select and OK. Now this is brick wall which is 200 mm. I want to insert one more layer, so click here insert, and this one also brick. Click here and select brick common, OK, and give the thickness here. I want it 200 mm also, and I want to add one more layer. Click here insert, and this one I want for empty place, which is air. Select in the material browser air and hit OK. Now give the thickness for this layer. I want it 100 mm. Now if you want to bring this down, select this layer and click here down. Now you can see we have 3 layers in our wall. Now if you want to click here OK. Now you can see we have 500 mm brick wall or block wall which has 3 layers, but you can't see here. You can't see here the layers. If you want to see, click here and click here detail level. This is detail level, fine. Now you can see the layers for this wall. And if you want to create this wall, go to architectural tab, wall architectural, and select here which wall you want to create. I want to create 500 mm block wall, and you can create anywhere. I want to create it here, and you can see this is our block wall which is 500 mm thick and 3 layers. So here is the some problems. If you want to improve this, if you want the wrap at the end point, how you can change this one. Select this wall and click here edit type and go to the structure edit. And now if you want to wrap, you can't wrap any layer here. How you can wrap it? Now if you click any layer and click here down or up, you can make it up and down, and select this one layer also, click here down. Now you can see you have wrap option, but here at the ends you didn't give any value for the wrap. Click here and give it exterior or interior, anything. If you want to give it interior or exterior, select any one option here and click OK. Now you can see we have the wrap at the end point of this wall. If you want to create same this wall, click this wall and click here create similar, and the shortcut for this tool CS. And now if you will joint this wall in this wall, now you can see we have the very beautiful joint for this wall. So here is the option for this wall. And now if you want to create door or window, it's very easy. Go to architectural tab and click here door or window and place it any wall. If I want to place it here, now you can see we placed the door, but here also you want to wrap the wall layer. How you can wrap this one? Select the wall and go to edit type, edit the structure, and here you can see the 8 inserts we selected here. Don't wrap. I want to wrap the exterior or interior, or you can select also both. So I want to wrap the both layer at the insert point, so I select here both, click OK. Now you can see we have the very special joints between the door and walls. Also for window, if you want to create the window, go to architectural tab and click here window and place it anywhere, and you can select the size for the window. You can select any window from the properties palette and place it here. Now you can see we have very beautiful joints for the walls and the layers also. So you can create very easily basic wall which we have in the architectural tab, and in the properties palette you can see the basic walls. Now you can create your own wall with different layers, and you can edit the structural values from here, and you can select also wrapping options from here at ends and at inserts. And if you want to load more families for doors and windows, it's very easy. When you create door, if you don't want to create this door, you want more door families, more designs, you can click here load family, and here you will go in the library folder. You can see which is located here, libraries, and in the libraries I am going to English folder, and here you can see the doors which I am going to load in my project. Click here hardware or residential or commercial. I want the residential, and you can select any door from here. You can see preview for the doors. Any door you can select here and click open, and you have more types here. Select any type, any single type or multiple types, and select this and click OK. Now it's loading, and now you can select the door size and type in the properties palette and place it anywhere like this. Now you can see you can load more doors family and windows family. It's very easy, very simple. And in the following videos we will learn how we can create our own family for any element like door, window, uh, furniture, anything. So please keep supporting me and hit the subscribe button. I will upload a single video every day for you. So please hit the subscribe button and give your feedback in the comment box. In the next video we will learn how to create floors and roofs. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel and give your feedback. Thank you.